Ever wondered how banking could be simpler, more accessible, and truly personalized? In a world where traditional banking often feels outdated and impersonal, we're constantly searching for solutions that fit our unique needs. That's why today, we're diving deep into a question that's on many people's minds. How does Relay Bank handle personal accounts? We've all been there: long queues, complicated paperwork, and generic service that doesn't quite address our individual financial situations. Traditional banks, while established, often struggle to keep up with the demands of a rapidly changing world. They're built on systems designed for a different era, making it difficult to offer the personalized experience many of us crave. And that's where innovative, digitally focused banks like Relay Bank come into play. Relay Bank is part of a new wave of financial institutions that are reimagining the banking experience. They're leveraging technology to create a more streamlined, user-friendly, and personalized approach to personal accounts. But what does that actually mean in practice? How are they different? Let's break it down. One of the core ways Relay Bank personalizes accounts is through its emphasis on understanding individual financial goals. They don't just offer a standard checking or savings account. They aim to understand what you're saving for, whether it's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply building a financial safety net. They achieve this through intuitive onboarding processes and ongoing communication, allowing them to tailor their services to your specific needs. Imagine opening an account and being asked not just for your basic information, but also about your financial aspirations. This information isn't just filed away, it's used to provide personalized insights and recommendations. Relay Bank might suggest budgeting tools, saving strategies, or even investment opportunities that align with your goals. This level of personalized guidance is a significant departure from the one-size-fits-all approach of traditional banks. Another key aspect of Relay Bank's approach is its focus on accessibility. In today's fast-paced world, we need banking solutions that fit our on-the-go lifestyles. Relay Bank understands this and offers a seamless digital experience. Forget about rushing to a physical branch during limited hours. Relay Bank puts the power of banking in your hands, 24/7. Through their user-friendly mobile app and online platform, you can manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and even connect with customer support, all from the convenience of your smartphone or computer. This digital-first approach eliminates the need for physical branches, making banking more convenient and efficient. It also allows Relay Bank to offer services to a wider audience, regardless of their location. Beyond convenience, Relay Bank also emphasizes transparency. They believe in empowering customers with clear and concise information about their finances. No more hidden fees or confusing jargon. Relay Bank provides easy-to-understand statements and explanations of their products and services. They want you to be in control of your finances, and they provide the tools and information you need to make informed decisions. Think about the frustration of trying to decipher your bank statement or understand the fine print of a loan agreement. Relay Bank aims to eliminate this frustration by providing clear, concise, and readily accessible information. They believe that transparency builds trust, and trust is essential in any financial relationship. Now, let's talk about security. In a world where cyber threats are increasingly sophisticated, security is paramount. Relay Bank takes the security of your funds and personal information very seriously. They employ state-of-the-art security measures to protect your accounts from unauthorized access. This includes encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits. They also understand the importance of educating customers about online security best practices. Relay Bank provides resources and tips to help you protect yourself from phishing scams, malware, and other online threats. They're not just protecting your money, they're empowering you to protect yourself as well. So, how does Relay Bank handle personal accounts? They combine a customer-centric approach with cutting-edge technology to deliver a truly personalized and accessible banking experience. They prioritize understanding your financial goals, providing transparent information, and ensuring the security of your funds. They're not just a bank, they're a financial partner, helping you navigate the complexities of personal finance with confidence. They also often offer features that cater to modern financial needs. This could include things like integrated budgeting tools, real-time transaction notifications, and even the ability to easily manage subscriptions and recurring payments. Relay Bank is constantly evolving and adapting to the changing needs of its customers. They're not just offering a traditional banking experience in a digital format, they're reimagining what banking can be. Another key differentiator for Relay Bank is their focus on customer service. They understand that even with the best technology, sometimes you need to talk to a real person. Relay Bank offers accessible and responsive customer support through various channels, including phone, email, and chat. They're committed to providing timely and helpful assistance whenever you need it. This personalized approach to customer service is a refreshing change from the often impersonal experience of dealing with large, traditional banks. Relay Bank values its customers and strives to build long-term relationships based on trust and mutual respect. In essence, Relay Bank's approach to personal accounts is about putting the customer first. They're using technology to empower individuals to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. They're providing a personalized, accessible, transparent, and secure banking experience that's designed for the modern world. They're not just processing transactions, they're building relationships and fostering financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.